seems to have an air leak again. I brought it out here yesterday morning, it was okay, and then when I popped back in it yesterday to move it, it's got air leaking out from underneath the cab again. Alright, I'll have a look at that first. Yeah, it's not too bad. You might, when James gets back there, you might get him to give you a hand to pull that tarp off, and if you get a chance to have a look at that air leak, you can do that. Yeah, right, that's just straight.